So we're showing you the van of Harry, the Pinoy Nomads.
Hello everyone. So our van is a 2016 Chevy Express passenger van. So it's a 15 seaters van. So 3,500. So binili ko to dito sa Houston when I was working in Houston last March, I think, March of this year, 2020. And then DIY lang po ito lahat. So kami lang ng family ko yung nag-convert nito. Kaya hindi talaga pulido. Kung makita nyo, hindi talaga sa gawa ng karpintero kasi I'm a nurse, hindi po ako wala po akong skills. Pero wala akong skills sa carpentry or anything. Wala po akong alam diyan. Pero yung mga hindi ko alam, pinapanood ko lang sa sa YouTube.
YouTube. Okay.
So,
lahat naman tayo nanonood sa
diba?
YouTube.
So, yeah, yung mga tutorial sa YouTube ay yun ang pinapanood namin.
Okay.
So, yun. Ang dito po muna tayo sa sa labas ng van. So, mayroon po akong 100 solar panel sa taas.
100 watts.
100 watt solar panel. So, tapos mayroon po kaming DIY awning. Itong DIY awning, galing ito ay lang, projector screen.
Okay, nice.
Nilagyan bababa mo lang siya tapos may stand na ginawa ko. So, mura lang yan, siguro mga 20 bucks lang yan. Kasi binigay lang po sa akin yung
yung projector screen.
Yung projector screen, tapos yung ginastos ko lang yung pole.
Okay.
So, tapos meron akong hitch dito, so pwede ako maghila ng trailer.
Yeah.
Dati meron akong cargo trailer, pero binenta ko, nahirapan akong mag-backing.
Okay.
Tsaka yung pag-back up ng trailer, hirap na hirap talaga ako dun.
So, pero does it have a backup camera?
No, it doesn't have.
Doesn't have a backup camera. Okay, so that's why it's harder to do reverse parking or something.
Ang pagmaniobra talaga pong mahirap.
Because it's said this is 3,500, right?
3,500. V8 engine.
It's a big it's the heavy man. It's heavy duty.
So, and then meron po kami dito
yeah, this is very interesting.
yan
He
yung
made a roof deck with for wood. So it's a roof deck made of wood that he just made.
Yeah, we just made it. Yeah,
He and
as
his
per my
family made it.
daughter's request, so she said it's really nice to have a
But
terrace.
how
or
do you
deck.
climb up there? Like a ladder or
No, we
stairs? Or you just climb up through
yeah,
here?
we just we open this one.
You just step up
Yeah,
and then
actually, we have we're just renovating this van right now.
okay.
So before, bed right here, it's in here. So we made this as well as a step
To climb up there.
climb up there.
Okay.
Step.
So you with this bed you sleep sideways or
Yeah, sideways.
Okay.
So two people here, one on that seat right there. I'll show you.
Okay. Yeah, the most important thing you need to do when you do van life is the bed, because you want to get a good night's sleep,
Right.
or else you will not last the van life if you cannot sleep very well.
Right. So this is not finished yet because we're still on the process of converting it. So pero we live on it while doing the conversion,
Okay.
so that we will know what really
what you need.
what we need.
Okay. But and then you got storage under it too.
Yeah.
right?
So yung sa mga considerations namin in doing the bed is we need storage as well dito. So yung height niya, ito lang dapat tong
Yeah.
black beam na to. It should fit in there. Tapos we have tables, reflecting.
Everything you need.
Yeah. So lalagyan lang namin. So
Open
itong
time.
bed
Open.
namin, it's just 3/4 plywood.
Oh, okay.
3/4 plywood.
And then you put a frame under.
Yeah, there's a 2x4s.
2x4s.
And then ito. You can also
fold it up.
fold it up
Oh, cool.
like this.
Oh, then you can make it into a bench.
Yeah, you can take it into a bench.
Okay.
Pero this is not done yet.
Yeah. Because you have to like secure it properly later.
So,
Alright. So you can relax
yeah,
there
there's
and
a
pull-up
table here,
table.
pull-up table. So
Nice.
you can watch your movies. You can surf your internet here.
Okay.
You can
Cool.
type.
You can work there if you need
Yeah,
to.
you can
do.
edit your videos.
Very good. And then you made the ceiling. Did you put insulation?
Yeah, there's an insulation
Inside.
and
Okay.
then this is just a pine tanging grove.
Cool.
Very lightweight, and then easy to
put in.
put in. Yeah. So just screw a little bit, the small screws.
So you screwed it to the rib of the
No,
metal, or you have a wood
I
inside?
have wood.
Okay.
I screwed it in the metal and then
Then you put the.
the
Okay. So that's the easier way to do it.
so
At least this van, you have a lot of windows, so it's
Yeah.
not. It doesn't feel like it's very
it's
small, right? Because
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can see outside.
right. Because if there's no window, it
It feels claustrophobic.
yeah you will feel
Yeah.
claustrophobic in here.
Okay, cool. And then this one is this a heater?
Yeah, I did not remove the heater and AC.
Oh, okay.
So what I'm gonna do with it is to reroute it.
Mm.
So yung vent.
With the vent. Okay, because now you close it,
Yeah, I removed all the
the ventings.
vents. Yeah.
Okay. And you removed it was a 15-seater, so how many rows did you remove?
I think 4 or 5.
4,
I
okay.
I lost count.
You took out at least 3 of them.
Right.
All right.
Yeah, and then I put insulation inside as well.
It's insulated
bottom.
flooring.
Yeah, and then there's a 2x4 frames, and then put a plywood. as
Plywood on top.
well. And then yeah, I'm making this one.
So it's a
So-
work in progress.
Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna put like cabinets in here
Okay.
so that we can have more storage
Storage.
space.
All right.
Before it was just like
Open.
open. Wala ito.
Okay. Very good. So there's a lot of work.
Yeah. It's always a work in progress.
And then it's good you got a back window that you can open
Yeah.
for ventilation.
Exactly. Yeah, that's nice.
That's very nice. Because most vans that are, especially the cargo vans,
Mhm.
the windows are fixed at the back.
Mm.
So
Yeah,
that's
we
nice.
can. Me and my wife can definitely fit in here.
So two people can,
Two people can.
yeah, and you,
Yeah.
and you, because
So I'm 5'9".
5'9" and
I
you
think
still
this
fit.
is
Six-
6 feet,
6 feet.
or less.
Cool.
But you can straight up.
Yeah, you can stretch out. So that's the most important thing for one lifer, to be able to
Exactly.
stretch out in the bed, or else you'll be cramped when you wake up the next day and you will surrender.
So the bed, the mattress, we just use the futon.
Futon,
We have
okay.
futon mattress back home.
So you just took it with
Yeah,
you.
I just took it. I removed some of the foams
Oh, so that
because it's too thick.
okay.
So if it's thick,
Your-
yung
there's no
head
headroom.
space mo,
bedroom is
it's gonna be tight.
so you just lower the foam so that you
Mm.
won't bump your head there when you
Yeah.
sit up.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It's good you kept some of the seats, because at least you can have your passengers can sit
Yeah,
down.
that's our consideration as well. So that one is not the original seat.
Oh, it's not.
No.
Okay, so you just added a different
Yeah,
one.
that's
Because it looks thinner, so it's lighter probably.
yeah, it's the back seat of Toyota 4Runner.
Oh, okay.
So it's thinner and you can fold it down.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll
So
show you.
very good. Okay, so the side door is a split side door, 50-50.
Mm.
Okay.
This one is nice because you can use the doors for example, we hang our paper towel, our hand sanitizer in here.
Okay.
So actually can put some more stuff in here, but we're gonna put it later.
Still working on it.
So we have the pee bottle.
Yeah.
It's very important for van lifer. We have two males here, me and my son. So
So you'll use it up
yeah,
fast.
we use it for number two. Number
Number
one.
one.
So
Then
we have a domestic portable toilet. But we hardly use this kasi
So it's-
mostly we are in the campground with
with facilities.
facilities.
Okay.
And we have a home base right now, so it's not a problem. But we always bring this.
Yeah, just in case.
So we put two seats in here because we are four. So my wife, me and my wife in the front, the kids
Sits
are,
there.
yeah, they sit here.
And you have a dog.
Yeah, we have a dog that
sits
sits there.
there.
Yeah,
Okay.
the dog is in here. So the dog likes the window seat.
Oh yeah, because they want to look out.
Yeah. So yan, dito kaupo sila.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and then underneath, I put
Have
the
storage
some
too.
storage.
Oh, okay. You maximize the space.
Yeah,
Right.
you have to kasi very small eh. And then this cabinet here is a dresser from our house, yung sa bedroom namin. So dilagay ko na lang dito.
Good morning. I am just editing the videos I took of Harry's van tour and realized that the second part of the video was not captured. So I think when I switched off the camera and tried to switch it on, it didn't switch on, so I didn't get the footage of the second part. So I would like to apologize. I wasn't able to have a very complete van tour, so I'm just going to show you this first part, and then next time I'll see Harry from Pinoy Nomads, I'm going to complete the video. Maybe we'll have something new to show, or at least show us the rest of the video for the van tour. So again, I apologize. I'm not very good at this camera. Maybe I thought it was on, but then it was off, and so I didn't have that video. And I was like pointing the camera around. We were interviewing him with his van and looking at around, and then now I realized there's no video. I didn't capture them on video. So next time I think I need to go find him and finish up the van tour. But for now, I'll just showing you the part one. I'm really sorry, but I'll make sure I'm gonna bring the part two of the van tour for Harry. Okay.